Just about everybody knows how to do jumping jacks, but have you ever thought about doing it while jumping over your rope? So today, I'll be showing you how to do just that.
All right, so to try the jacks, we're going to try just some movements to break it down. So even though I'm sure everyone's done jumping jacks before, put your jump rope down, try this with me. And you're going to go out, in, ready, go, 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 out, in. So that's the basic footwork of the jacks. Let's try the arms. Ready? Whip, whip, ready, go. 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 Whip, whip. Good job. Let's try to put it together, feet and arms. Whip, whip, ready, go. 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 All right, great. Let's try it with the rope. Okay, started ready position. Always ready position. Here we go. Out, in. Just try 2 jumps. Apart and in. Apart together. Now, if that feels pretty good, see if you can jump a little bit longer. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Good job. Let's try it one more time. Try it with me. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Here's an additional challenge once you've mastered the jacks. You can try some combination of jumps. So we've learned the basic bounce. We can add the jacks to it. I'll show you what I mean. Ready, position? Jump, 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 jacks. 2, 2, and 3. Jump, 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 jacks. Jump, 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 3 jacks. Jump, 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 jacks. 2 and 3. Jump, jump, jump. So give that a try, see how it works. Just take a little bit at a time. If you make mistakes, that's totally okay. Have fun.